Put your movie on the internet, and after your movie will be special edition making the movie. So it's behind the scene. You can show all your friends everything what you did step by step.
Yes.
Yes.
Play button. One more time.
Good.
Again. See? Now you know what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You did pretty well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, great.
Yes.
Yes.
Great. Very good.